Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5 camera tips and tricks for your Nokia G42. First, I can show you how you can easily zoom in and zoom out on this phone. So when you get these two presets, the 1x and the 2x, you can actually click on the selected preset, and then you will unlock this slider. And as you can see, with the slider you can smoothly zoom in or zoom out. You can also click right here and you can try to turn on the beauty mode, so it will make everything looks a little bit smoother. Next, when you click on the screen, you can actually adjust the camera brightness level manually by moving the sun icon. If you want to get more details on the photos, I can recommend you to click right here and turn on the 50 megapixel mode. It's also called the high resolution mode. Next, if you want to enable shutter delay, you can do this between 3 or 10 seconds. And also you can just open the settings, where you can find other options. So when you are here, we can, for example, take a look for this option: long press on shutter to take the flash shot, capture video quickly, or take the bird shot. So I'm gonna switch to take the series of the photos, and when you click and hold your shutter, you are going to take 20 photos in each series. And if you want to control other parameters of your photos, you can actually open the Pro mode, where you can find parameters like the white balance, focus range, ISO level, shutter speed, exposure compensation, and also you can change photo format. And that's all the camera tips and tricks for your Nokia G42 5G. That's all for this video, hope you like it.